Meet the MX10, a wireless, low-profile mechanical keyboard that enables peak performance everywhere. The MechaClix MX10 is engineered with German precision and steeped in American innovation. Its design is inspired by the world's first supersonic aircraft. MechaClix is proud to showcase its ultra-thin, high-performance mechanical keyboard. The MX10 revolutionizes on-the-go input. It combines multi-device Bluetooth capabilities, a sleek aluminum case, and cutting-edge RGB lighting technology to launch a completely new class of keyboard. The MX10's portable form factor and responsive keys will impress gamers and professionals alike. Mechanical Kyle chock switches provide direct size, comfort, offer extreme performance, and press time advantages when compared with larger models. The keyboard offers you to connect with 4 devices at once, which lets you control your entire digital world with one keyboard. It is best for those who crave the best gear. Despite all the metal and switches, the keyboard weighs in at just 1.1 pounds. It has a compact body and easy to carry, hence it is a travel-friendly keyboard. It has you all covered, offering you 2 sleek colors, black and white, to choose from. The unique keyboard is compatible with multiple operating systems, such as Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. Note that there's 3-month battery life, but that syncs to 48 hours when using the RGB lighting mode. MX10 uses a fast USB Type-C connection, and it has the fastest available polling rate. This minimalistic and modern design keyboard fills all your keyboard needs. This modern-looking keyboard can evoke your personality and match your style.